Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bosch washing machine error code E3610. So here are the steps on how to fix this error E3610. First is you need to unplug the washing machine. Always disconnect from power before inspecting or repairing the machine. That is the very first step here. The second step is you need to check for water in the base if there is a leak detection. So Bosch washers with AquaStop systems have a leak tray at the bottom. You should know this one. You should be aware of this. So tilt the washer backwards slightly. That's the first thing you should do. If water pours out or you hear sloshing, it has a leak into the base. Now, if you have heard this one right here, then all you have to do is dry the base using a sponge or towels. And some users also place the washer in a warm, dry room to let it dry for 24 hours. Step 3, you need to inspect hoses and seals. So you need to check inlet hoses, drain hoses, and door seals for cracks or leaks if there is. And then if there are any damage, you need to replace them, repair them. Step 4, check the water inlet valve. So the inlet valve may be stuck open, letting too much water in. If this is the case, then if you see water entering even when the machine is off, the valve may need replacement. So you need to replace this one right away. 5, reset the washing machine. After drying and fixing, reset the machine. Plug it back in. Hold the start reset button for about 5 seconds. Alternatively, turn the program dial to the off position, then back to cycle. Now, if the error persists, it could be a faulty AquaStop sensor, float switch, or control board. In that case, you will need a technician to diagnose further with tools. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.